Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stew peas with canned peas. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of kidney beans, your choice of meat like salted pigtail or beef, and fresh aromatics such as garlic, onion, and a small piece of Scotch bonnet pepper. Don't forget coconut milk, water, and a tablespoon of flour for thickening. This simple preparation ensures a flavorful and authentic dish. Next, let's build the flavor base. If using salted pigtail, boil it first to reduce sodium. Then, brown your meat in a pot with a little oil. Once it has a nice color, add your chopped garlic, onion, and a sprig of fresh thyme. Sauté these ingredients for about 3 to 5 minutes until they become fragrant and tender, releasing their delicious aromas. Now it's time to bring everything together. Drain and rinse your 2 cans of kidney peas thoroughly to remove excess sodium. Add these to the pot along with 1 can of full-fat coconut milk and about 2 cups of water. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for at least 30 minutes. This allows all the flavors to combine beautifully. For the perfect consistency, we'll thicken our stew. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons of water to form a smooth slurry. Gradually stir this into your simmering stew. Continue to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes until the sauce reaches your desired thickness. Taste and adjust seasonings. Then serve your delicious stew peas hot with rice or boiled dumplings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.